Welcome back. In our last video, we talked about why Power BI is so powerful. In this video, let's try to make that real. Now, the first stage or the first step to any Power BI project is connecting to your data source. That's essentially what I want to show you guys today. So let's get straight into it. Now, this page is the first page of your Power BI desktop. This view is called the report view. So you can see if I hover over here, you'll see that this is the report view. And there are other views that we'll get into in the latter stages of this Power BI series. And essentially, if you want to connect to a data source, it's a very straightforward process. From here, you can see options to import from Excel, to import from an SQL database, and different options, right? But if you want to be more detailed, you go to your toolbar and essentially select get data. On that get data, now the data set that we'll be working with, which can be found in the description below, is a CSV data set. You're just going to have to select text/CSV. We have to find exactly the location of the data set. So essentially, we are working with the global text sales. And I just double clicked it, and yeah, the next thing is, most cases, most times your data sets will not be clean. Or if it's clean, you can go ahead and load it to the Power BI interface. If not, then you just have to transform it. And now transforming your data takes you to a different sort of application, right? It's still inside Power BI, but as you can see, if I go to my taskbar right at the bottom, you can see that two applications are open. One is called Power BI Desktop, the other is called Power Query Editor. Now, Power Query Editor is where we are now. That's where transformations are done. And that is what we'll actually do in the next video. But for now, yeah, essentially that's how to connect to your data source. But if you want to, if you're done cleaning and you're done transforming and you want to go ahead and start making visualizations with your data, you essentially have to close and apply. And it will appear under the data pane, which is this right hand side here of the report view. And from there, after it's loaded, you see all the columns, and from there you can work with it. So we'll do transformations in our next video. Thank you. Stay tuned.